In today's video, I'm gonna show you one of the newest features on YouTube, and it's how to create clips. If you are looking for videos with tips and tricks on YouTube and TikTok, make sure you hit the subscribe button. This way, I can continue to bring you more videos like this that will help you out on your journey. You may have seen right here as I'm showing a picture of some scissors. You see where it shows clip right there, and you're like, oh man, now I can create clips. You know what I'm saying? It's so exciting. And it makes you think that I can create this clip, you know, it's already gonna be done for me, all the work's gonna be done for me, and I can upload it to my channel. You know, you think automatically, you know, I can save on editing and everything. And I found out that that's not really it. It is what it says, but it's not that. Let's choose a part of this video that I may want to clip.
I went to see Monique's stand-up show Super Bowl weekend.
So let's stop right there. I went to see Monique's Super Bowl show, or excuse me, the show on Super Bowl weekend. Let's clip from here. Let's say I want to start there. I hit clip. Boom. Now it's going to give you a width or a range that you can choose that clip from. And I could drag a little further. You know, it shows at the top, you know, however many seconds, 20 seconds is when I started, all the way up to 1 minute. Perfect. Let's just do that. Can I hit play?
Oh shit. It was
so it lets you preview that 1 minute clip. Can I make it longer? All you can do is a 60-second clip of whatever video you want to make. Now, you can make multiple clips of a video. So let's do that 60 seconds as it shows right there on the bottom. Let's put Monique. We'll put Monique show clip. All right, so we'll put, now you notice it says share clip. So we can't download it, we can't upload it, it says share. Share is the only option that it's giving me for this clip. Now I'm thinking personally, if I have a channel of, let's say, entertainment stuff, I want to upload this clip, you know, on my channel. Mainly the reason why I say that is because a lot of people, you know, find ways to download YouTube videos. Now you can have a paid account on YouTube to where it lets you download videos, or people go to certain websites and put, you know, they put in the link and it downloads them. It's like a third-party website and it downloads the video for them. So when you hit share, what happens? It gives you a couple of options on where you can share the clip. Now, I've already done this before, and so I'm going to go ahead and hit Twitter. We're going to go to Twitter. I'm already logged in, and boom. It creates the title. You can adjust the title. It creates the link, and if you see youtube.com/clip, and let's go ahead and hit tweet. I tweeted it. It was sent, and it shows my recent tweet. So let's click on that link.
Good. She had my ass in a trance.
Now, here's the thing. That is the clip that I made. You click on it, and it shows, it is 60 seconds, but it shows from where. That is the clip that I made. It shows Comedy Hype as the YouTube account. Now, a second ago, it did have my name on there. Let's click on it again. Click on it. Now it shows Quincy Moreland. You see that, right? It shows, you know, it looks like this is Quincy Moreland's channel, Monique show clip. It makes you think that, man, this is uploaded to my YouTube channel, but it's not. Now here's the thing behind clips. What it's doing is it's still giving credit to the person who originally made or uploaded the video. And so it's like, okay, hey, you know what? You guys want to download videos. You guys want to create, you know, clips and re-upload them to your account. Okay, how can we do that as YouTube? And so they created a thing called clips. There was a lot of copyright infringement going on where, you know, this video is from someone's channel. It's going viral. It's making a lot of money. People would take that same video, upload it to their channel, and then this person would see that your content is uploaded here, and then it would tell you if I've uploaded that video for, you know, about 25% of that video, 50%, or if I uploaded the whole video. And the reason why I know that is because I get notifications when someone takes pieces of my videos and uploads them, little segments to their channel. I have a section on YouTube, and I'll probably show that, where it shows me who else uploaded segments of my video to their channel. And I can either request that they take it down or not let it be monetized or ask them to remove it, and so that is the clip feature, the share clip feature on YouTube. Is this something that you're going to use? Yeah, I could definitely see myself using it, especially if it's a good news segment or, not necessarily drama, but something that, man, you can't believe and you really want to share on Facebook, and some of the other options on here that it gave, which was you have to create a title first. So if you're having any difficulty in making a clip using the share clip feature on YouTube, you have to type in the title first for the share option to appear. And you can only copy the link, share it to Twitter, Gmail, inside of a message, Facebook Messenger. Let's see with the more. When you click on more, what are the other options? So unfortunately, download is not one of the options, which is so sad. Facebook, Instagram. You can even post it on Nextdoor or Drive, your Google Drive, LinkedIn. LinkedIn is kind of cool. I think that's a good thing to do. Even more. Let's see. Anything that lets you download it. You can also share that clip on Truth Social, which is Donald Trump's new social media platform. So hey, let me know if this helped you out in any way on getting an insight on what the share feature is all about on YouTube. Are you sadly disappointed that you can't download the video and re-upload it to your YouTube account? Or are you particularly happy with just picking the segments from where you wanted to start and end and then sharing it on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and other places? Now you do see that TikTok is not one of the platforms, right? I don't know if there's a way that they might incorporate sharing a YouTube clip on TikTok. I would love to see that. If you think that should be one of the features, comment below and let me know how you think that would work. But hey, until next time, guys, this is just my take on the YouTube clip share feature. All right, hope this helped. If you have any other videos you would like me to do, please let me know in the comments. This way I can try to give you some helpful insight on new features and things on YouTube and TikTok. All right, guys, I will see you on the next video.